Hello po mga kababayan, si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano vlogger, broadcast journalist from Albay. Ibigay ko sa inyo itong mga magagandang balita, lalo yung mga mahilig po mamasyal sa Boracay. Magiging maayos na ang pamamasyal ninyo sa Boracay kasi yung ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, pinangunahan po yung groundbreaking ceremony, yung bagong passenger building po sa Katiklan. Kasi pagpunta namin doon, napakaliit lang ng passenger building po ng airport po sa Katiklan. Iyan dami-dami pong pumupunta sa Boracay. So sa mga susunod na pamamasyal natin, mga kababayan, magiging maayos na. Tamang-tama ito pagbalik namin next year yata. Balik naman kami doon. Sige lang ang trabaho ng ating Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Habang si Sara Duterte, mga kababayan, laging non-working holiday. Lahat ng araw sa kanya, non-working holiday. Kaya talaga dapat matuloy na yung impeachment para hindi naman lugi ang ating mga mamamayang Filipino. Mamaya babalikan natin yung impeachment. Dito muna tayo sa magandang balita para may pakinabang yung ating mga mamamayan. Hindi yung puro controversy, puro masasamang balita. Yan o. Look, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. leads the groundbreaking for a new passenger building at Katiklan, Boracay Airport. Kanina lang po ito in Malay Town, Aklan Province. The airport that caters to tourists going to and from Boracay Island is owned and operated by a subsidiary of San Miguel Corporation or SMC. Itong passenger building will be constructed by Megawide Construction Corporation. So joining the President were Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon, Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, Aklan Governor Joen Miraflores, and SMC CEO Ramon Ang. Si Ramon Ang ang na matino. Hindi sabit sa kung ano-anong mga controversy. Itong si Ramon Ang, mabait na negosyante. Para niya may isa pa kasing ang na nasasabit sa mga controversy. Pero hindi pa man po. Suspect pa man lang po. Until proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt, presumed innocent po siya. Para malinaw. So ito yung ating Pangulo na napakasipag po. Yan o. Kaya malabo po na ang Pangulo natin. Inaakusang bangag. Walang bangag, mga kababayan, na matino mag-isip. Pag sinabing bangag po, hindi matino sa pag-iisip. Napakatino ng ating Pangulong Bongbong at napakabait. Pag bangag po, matapang. Di ba? Yun ang ugali ng bangag. Yung ating Pangulo, napakabait. Kahit anong paninira, hindi niya pinapansin. Kasi alam niya, paninira nga ba't papansinin niyo yung paninira? Yan ang ating Pangulo. Pakinggan natin.
Thank you for your introduction, Energy Secretary Vince Dizon.
Poging-pogi po.
Secretary Vince Dizon. Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, who is with us today because after here, we are going to fly by the rig in Malampaya that is now slowly drilling down into the seabed with a reasonable chance of success of finding further reserves. The Aklan 2nd District, the CEO of San Miguel Corporation, and I have to say, our very, very important partner, full partner with the government in nation building, the CEO of San Miguel, Ramon Ang.
Yan si Ramon Ang.
Aklan 2nd District Representative Florencio Miraflores, and the honorable members of the House of Representatives, Aklan Governor Jose Enrique Miraflores, Malay Municipal Mayor Flolibar Bautista, Nabas Municipal Mayor James Solanoy, other mayors. Nandito yata yung mga ating mga mayor. Nandito at naka-excited lahat para sa pagbukas, sa pagsimula nitong ating terminal building. The officials of the Civil Aviation Authority, who was represented by the officer in charge, Attorney Dungeon Lucas, Chairman and CEO of Megawide Construction, Mr. Edgar B. Saavedra. No, pinipilit na matatapos ito. Maraming nagsasabi pa, nasa eroplano pa lang kami. Si Sec Vince, sinasabi na niya, pinangako ng Megawide na matatapos ito ng 24 months. Kaya
2 years.
nung binanggit ni Chairman RSA yung 24 months, ang bulong namin dito sa harap, sabi namin sa kanya, no pressure, no pressure. We take it back. Pressure, pressure. I'm sorry. We really need for you to finish this 24 months or even less than now. And what I was telling the CEO of Megawide, I was telling him, says, you have no excuse because I've seen your other projects. Nagawa nyo na eh. Even more complicated constructions, and this is a relatively simple one. The more complicated construction projects that Megawide has undertaken, they have finished it on budget and in time. So that is what we are hoping for and are looking forward to. My fellow workers in government, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Well, this is a very important day. As Chairman Ramon has very clearly laid out, this is what we could refer to as a much-awaited project dahil ang dami-daming pinagdaanan, nasimulaan, natigil, nalipat, maraming pagbabago bago tayo umabot dito sa araw na ito. Ngunit, nandito na tayo. We are very happy and we are all very excited that we are slowly putting together the building blocks of our policy of opening up our areas, tourist areas, our business areas, to international travelers without having to go through the Manila Airport. And this is simply because, although Manila Airport is improving once again because of the concession agreement that we made with San Miguel, it is improving and we are going to increase the capacity in terms of passengers per hour, passengers movements per hour, in terms of passengers and travelers per year. However, it would be much easier for our tourists or for any travelers na doon na sila tumungo, kagaya dito, nandito na diretso na sila dito sa Katiklan. And from here, they can go to Boracay, they can go around and see all of the tourist destinations. Marami rito tourist destination. We can see all of the tourist destinations around the province and in the neighboring areas. And so it is not something that is just belonging to one province. It is not just Aklan who is involved in this. It is the entire region that will be assisted by the construction of this terminal building. The influx of people, of travelers, is going to be a big boost to the local economy and, I might add, the national economy. Tourism right now contributes close to 8% to our GDP. And that is something that we want to increase. And that is why these projects that we have are also very important. We are doing the same things for many regional airports. We have been talking about Iloilo. We have made agreements with in Bohol, in Siargao, and there will be others more. Ngayon ay pinag-uusapan pa lang, so I don't want to let the cat out of the bag because they're still in discussions. But the idea is to open up the Philippines not necessarily only through Manila, but on international flights coming from Europe, coming from Southeast Asia, coming directly to the tourist destinations. And in this case, maganda, tama yung nabanggit kanina that it is better here because the ferry experience is very important and very much part of the experience of I remember coming here as a vacationer and pagsakay po sa bangka, ito na, bakasyon na ito. This is where the vacation starts. And so we are making that experience even better Boracay now is a much nicer place to visit than it was a few years back. And we are doing the same things, as I said, with the other tourist destinations, with the other business destinations, hindi lang tourist. Pero yung mga lugar na gusto nating i-develop na sa ngayon ay maliit ang airport, hindi mapuntahan o mahirap puntahan, ay pag nabuksan ang mga airport dyan, talagang makikita natin maraming magbabago. So this is one step in what you have to describe is going to be the beginning of the journey. And that journey is to bring the Philippines once again to the forefront of the rest of the world, to bring the Philippines once again to the top of mind of the rest of the world, that this is a place where people can invest, this is a place where people can come to have a vacation, this is a place where the businessmen can come and do business to the benefit of their own interests and of course of the country. And so that is how important today is, and I'm very, very happy to have come today and to witness the groundbreaking and to be part of this groundbreaking. And it is already in my schedule, and 24 months I am coming to cut the ribbon. Kung pwede mong gawing 18, I won't complain. Kita mo, masarap kausap tong Megawide, very hindi sila umaatras sa challenge. So thank you all. Once again, as was mentioned, the problems that occurred here are the usual problems when it comes to infrastructure, right of way, land acquisition. And that's why kailangan natin pasalamatan ang local governments, dahil kung hindi sa local government, both on the provincial and the municipal side, kung hindi sa inyong tulong, hindi namin magagawa at hindi namin mabubuo yung daan kung saan kailangan ma-expropriate o kailangan magkaroon ng negotiation. At we always turn to local governments to help us. And once again, that has been fruitful. And it just goes to show, exactly like the governor has said, when the national government, the local government, and the private sector work together, hand in hand, not opposite sides, but hand in hand, this is what we can achieve. So we look forward to many, many more of this. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Magandang maga po sa inyong lahat.
Ang ganda ng mga reactions ng mga tao. Hardworking president, all works and no play. Gawa, hindi ngawa, that's all. God bless PBBM in fulfilling his vision and mission, which are widely supported by people who believe in his goals, particularly the SMC CEO, Ramon Ang. So ito yung plan, mga kababayan. Katiklan, New Katiklan Passenger Terminal is set to welcome tourists and travelers to Aklan in Boracay, sabi ng ating Pangulo. 20 minutes ago pa lang. Di ba? Napakaganda ng perspective. Modern airport na po siya. At malaki na rin po. Para hindi nagsisiksikan yung mga pasahero. Yung mga turista po. Very beautiful. Di ba po, mga kababayan? Mabuhay ang ating Pangulo. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Tapos dumiretso yung ating Pangulo dito sa gas platform. Mga kababayan ng Malampaya Gas, tulad ng sinabi niya kanina. So sabi dyan, the President flew by the Malampaya Phase 4 project located offshore of Palawan Province. Video taken on board the real ship Noble Viking showed the President chopper flying overhead while several members of the crew bearing the Philippine flag waved to the President. So kanina, nabanggit niya sa groundbreaking ng Katiklan Passenger Terminal sa Aklan, we are going to fly by the rig in Malampaya that is now slowly drilling down into the seabed with a reasonable chance of success of finding further reserves. Kailangan po natin mag-explore ng mga panibagong gas reserves po para sa ating pangangailangan sa energy. Ganyan ang ating Pangulong Bongbong. Gawa, hindi ngawa, at hindi rin naninira. Di ba? Alam na ninyo kung sino yung siging panira.
Sa mga naghanap ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. We also offer Grab Car Rental with our brand new 2023 model ng Toyota Innova. We also accept booking for those who are planning to travel via PAL, Cebu Pacific, and other airline companies, local and international, and bills payment for Meralco Bills, PLDT, Aleco Bills, etc. Ang Colossal Fitness Gym is located at 3rd floor Security Bank Building, Lanco Business Park, Legazpi City, Albay. For inquiries, look for Chilon Maravillas. Contact number 0966-802-0949. Yan yung aming Innova. Lagi na pong matao sa amin. Pati mga foreigners po, tingnan ninyo. Mga British tourists sila. Ang lalaki ng katawan na, mga kababayan, nag-gym sa amin. Ito naman po, Indian National. Ito mga mga European sila. Ito naman yung bago naming product na binibenta online, Eye Glow Serum. Whitening po siya galing sa South Korea. Ito sa aking anak na architect entrepreneur, Riz Maravillas. For inquiries, look for Riz Maravillas on FB.
Ito naman po, Fairmax Firming and Lifting Cream. Pinapahid po ito sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po ito sa mga pains at paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan.
Ito po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application. Anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age.
Ito naman yung bagong product naming binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley made in from Australia. Endorsed by Maritoni Fernandez, isang cancer survivor. Pati si Ismo Laude, ini-endorse na rin niya. Si Papa P, Piudo Pascual. Si Aramina, mga kababayan, umiinom ng barley. Pwede ko yung magnegosyo tulad nitong business partner namin sa Australia. Ini-endorse lang din po, mga kababayan, maging ni Marian Rivera. Ang dami naming stocks. Mag-message lang po kayo sa amin. Ang messenger ko po sa Facebook. Pati ni Manny Pacquiao. Ang health benefits niya po, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhances energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. For inquiries, look for Riz Maravillas po. Mag-message po kayo sa kanyang messenger sa Facebook. Sa mahilig naman po sa mga imported bags and wallets, message ninyo si Madam Eileen Rosales sa kanyang page, Eileen Closet. Based siya sa Amerika. Yan yung kanyang mga panindang bags.